Pasta salad is a summer staple, and today I'm making two of our top-rated recipes from allrecipes.com. After I perfected the potato salad, you asked me to make a pasta salad, and it's my job to bring you the very best recipes. So let's go. The big question, mayo or no mayo in our pasta salad? Look, we don't have to fight because today I'm gonna make both for you. It is pasta salad, so the pasta you choose is kind of important. At least to me it is. So I like something that has some little nooks and crannies for all that flavor to get into. So my mom used to always use a rotini. I like that, so that's what I'm gonna use. Another good option here would be a shell pasta because all that flavor can get inside the shell. And just like every time we cook pasta, salt your water. No one wants any bland pasta salad. The key thing to remember when you're making pasta salad is that you want to add a variety of textures, of flavors, and of colors. You want this to be just catching to the eye, but also to the palate. I love a pasta salad that can also act as a meal if you want it to be like a light lunch or something. So I chose the Antipasto pasta salad. This recipe on Allrecipes has over 2,000 5-star ratings. This is more like the kind of pasta salad I grew up eating. This is our vinegar-based pasta salad. This recipe is great as is, but you can also take these recipes and make them your own. Zhuzh them up, if you will. For example, if you don't like bell peppers, leave them out and substitute something else that's also crunchy and crisp. Feel free to add in some colorful tomatoes as well. It's great for the summertime. Use up whatever produce you have. This pasta salad gets an added boost of protein by adding in some meats. I think salami and pepperoni are great choices here because these kind of cured meats do well in pasta salad. You don't have to worry so much about strict refrigeration. Besides the fact that pasta salad is just delicious, I love that it can stretch and feed a huge crowd for not a lot of money. If you think about it, it's really just like a couple bell peppers, a couple tomatoes, you know, 1 can of olives, but it stretches for miles. Once your pasta is cooked, you'll want to give it a little rinse in cold water just to stop the cooking. Before we toss it all together, take a look at this rainbow of flavor. You know, they say we eat with our eyes first. Who wouldn't want to eat this? First component, pasta, check. Second component, texture, flavor, color, check. Third component, the dressing. A little flavor shortcut here is a packet of Italian dressing mix. Then we're gonna add some good balsamic vinegar and extra virgin olive oil to take this up a notch. We're gonna enhance this dressing with a little bit of grated Parmesan cheese. And since we used a packet of dressing, or if you wanted to use a bottled dressing, a great way to enhance that freshness is by just adding in some finely chopped parsley. All right, now we're gonna bring all of this together, give it a good toss, and just like the potato salad, we wanna let it sit. It's definitely gonna be better the next day or after at least a couple hours when all those flavors have had a chance to come together. On to the next one. There's a time and a place for everything, and I've gotta pay homage to the mayonnaise-based macaroni salad. Again, you can use whatever noodle you want, but macaroni is classic in this recipe, but this recipe is not your grandma's macaroni salad. This salad packs a punch with a bunch of fresh veggies, including what I love is adding some chilies. So we've got some poblano and jalapeno going in here. This won't be spicy because we'll take the seeds out, but it adds a pungency that's just better than just like a plain bell pepper. This recipe also available at allrecipes.com, has hundreds of 5-star ratings. Check out the reviews. Those smoky flavors hot off the grill go great with this creamy pasta salad. I don't like a macaroni salad that's overly sweet, so this one is perfect. It has some tang from some Dijon mustard, a little bit of sugar to balance it out, but it's just perfect. This is also how I make my coleslaw dressing, so you can adapt this for coleslaw as well. I love mayonnaise, but in a pasta salad, I don't want big gloppy bits of mayonnaise in there. I love that this dressing just lightly coats the noodles. This one's also going to be better after it sits, but I can't wait on the perfect bite. It looks too good. That fresh crunch from the celery, bell pepper, and green onion is so good, so flavorful. It's got a hint of sweetness, but you can really taste the tang in that vinegar and mustard. This is the perfect creamy pasta salad recipe. There you have two perfect pasta salads. These are our top-rated pasta salad recipes at allrecipes.com. Be sure and check them out and make them this summer. You won't be disappointed. One of my favorite things to do with the vinegar pasta salad is to take it to the beach. You can eat it straight from the cooler. It's the perfect lunch. And now I'm gonna show you the ultimate perfect bite. My mouth is watering. That is so good. It burst in your mouth with so much flavor. The tomato, the cheese, the meat, it's hearty, it's satisfying. I'm telling you, you gotta make it. And remember, I'm here twice a week teaching you can cook that, so let me know what you wanna see next and be sure you're subscribed so you never miss a thing. When it comes to easy, crowd-pleasing pasta salad, you can cook that. Also perfect to take to the beach, in a picnic, at the lake, on a boat. Sound like Dr. Seuss.